What's going on, people? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. La 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 la. C Nasty, and I'm back on your screens. I know it's been a long time, people, and I apologize, 1,000 apologies, literally, but I've been going through a whole heap of trials and tribulations, and I had to make sure I clear all that up before I got back on the screen and able to entertain and also give advice to my fellow chosen ones, you know? Because it's tough right now. It's real tough in the life that we're living, chosen ones, you know? We don't get our flowers when we're doing good, when we're doing the right thing, when we're doing the positive. We don't get our flowers from loved ones, from the ones that we thought that we would. Those people, our family members, our friends, those people we thought they would be the first people that would give us our flowers once we show up with our new progress, and we show up with what we could bring to the table. We show up with what we had, our fruits. We show up with the fruits of our labor, you know? Once we show up with all those things, those people, you think they're gonna give you your flowers? I regret to inform you, chosen ones, they are not. I repeat, they are not going to give you your flowers. But you know what C Nashi is going to do right now? What are you about to do, C Nashi? I'll tell you right now what C Nashi is about to do. I'm going to give you your flowers right now and let you know. Chosen one, empath, you are an amazing person. And you're doing great out here. You do hard work. You're a hard worker. You have love. You have the ultimate love in your heart. You have peace in your heart that you want to share and give to other people. You know, you're an empathic person. You know, you have the ability to heal the ones that need to be healed. But then when it's time for you to be healed, who's there to heal you, chosen ones? Who is there when your friends are down? They need a word of advice. They need a piece of positive energy to grab onto. Who's there? Chosen ones. You were there for them. But in your darkest hour, in the darkest nights, you know, when you were sitting there in your room, cuddled up with a pillow, wishing that it was a human fleshly body, crying yourself to sleep, who was there for you? No one, and especially not the person you thought that was gonna be there for you. And it's insulting to our intelligence the way that they treat us, you know? The way that they treat us, and they expect for us to keep returning and returning in the cyclical nature that they think that we're just supposed to keep being on. This little hamster wheel that they try to put us on. But guess what, chosen ones? Guess what, empaths? It's time. Their time is up. Rest in peace to those damn deceptionaires, those damn Decepticons. All they do is practice the art of deception. Huh? Aren't you tired of it? Because I'm tired of it too. And I know if you're watching to the point of this video, you got to be tired of it. Comment in the comment section that you are tired of it. And you can't, and you're not taking it anymore, chosen ones. You're not taking it. You know? You worked on yourself. You healed yourself through all your trials and tribulations. Yet you have somebody that's going to try to hold you back from your blessings. No. No. Tell them their time is up. You know what I'm saying? Tell them their time is up, chosen ones. You get what I'm saying? You don't have no time to be sweating nobody. Females, you don't got no time to be sweating some dude who all he does is call you 11 p.m. Huh? Call you for the booty call? You know? Fellas, if she's just using you and she doesn't even give you your props, she doesn't give you the mental, emotional stability you deserve as a king, all she does is take and never give, never replenish. Yeah, it's time for her to go. See, Nashi's telling you. Like I said, this message is from God through my mouth to your ears. Take heed to the message. But like I'm here to say, chosen ones, you're the ish. You the ish. Feel me? And you know it too. When you look in the mirror, come on, man. Oh, you see you could see your own aura, you see your glow, you know your potential, you know what you got to offer to the table. If somebody came to you and they said, what is your vision for the next 5 years? Oh, you got a whole game plan. You got God's plan. Because you got God on your side. Feel me? You got God on your side. Feel me? You ask one of these damn Decepticons, these damn Deceptioneers, if they got a vision, oh, they going to be talking about 2020. What you talking about, 2020 vision? You need glasses? Telling you, chosen ones, it's time, like I said, to prepare yourself. Look at that. Look at the birds is flocking. It's time to prepare yourself for the spring. The seasons are about to change, and that means you can't take the same people that were in the old chapters in your life with you. You can't do it. If you got goals and you got a destination you're trying to get to, you can't take some of the old people with you, man. It's evident and it's obvious. You know what I'm saying? The way they treat you, the way they cannot value you, the way they devalue you. Come on, man. Get with the program 2024. Because guess what? You're the ish, chosen one. Guess what? You're the ish empath. And you can't have the damn demon in disguise holding you back from your true potential. Listen, I get passionate and fired up about this, chosen one. If you've seen my videos before, and I got over 450 videos for you to go reflect and go see and get some knowledge. If you're looking for high inspirational knowledge, high consciousness conversations, hey, just go take a look back at the channel. It's all there for you. Your boy C Nashi, I don't play. You're Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. And like I said, I'm here to tell chosen ones today, I'm here to tell empaths today, that you are the ish. Huh? You doing your thing, chosen one. Feel me? Like I said, people, they don't give people their flowers nowadays. But guess what? Your boy C Nasty is gonna give it to you today. Because I know you need to hear it. I know you need to hear it. Feel me? Listen. Take this message. Roll with it. It's all energy, baby. You roll with it, you do something with it, feel me? Don't let it go in one ear and out the other. This message is a powerful message meant just for chosen ones, not the less than smart ones, because they can't get it. They will never get it. Why do you think they're not? If they got it, they would be right here watching the video with you. And where they at? They're probably across the freaking ocean. They're probably across the freaking ocean somewhere with Pookie and Ray Ray. So stop wasting your time on them. Your boy C Nasty is telling you. Well, listen, I've been ranting for 10 minutes. If you like the message, hit the like button. It's free. It's not hard. Subscribe to the channel. I'm a cool guy. Feel me? And like I said, I got over 400 videos of the high level consciousness conversations. Feel me? Hit me in the comment section. It's your boy, the chosen with the golden tongue. C Nasty. I'll be back in the next one.